In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to start collaborate your iPhone notes. All you have to need, launch the Notes app on your iPhone and open the note that you want to start collaborate. And then from the note, tap on the share at the top right. In here, we can see this is a note. So we have to tap on this arrow icon next to send copy. And here we have to select collaborate. Once you selected collaborate option, now tap on only invited people can edit, and here you can adjust permission for collaborating. So you can select here only invited people, or you can select anyone with the link. So who can access, select any of the option from here, and permissions you can select can make changes, or you can select view only. So I'm selecting here only invited people, and permission can make changes, and for here you can enable or disable allow others to invite option. Now just tap on done. And now how you want to invite your collaborator. You can select mail, you can select Facebook, you can select Messenger, or you can select your Gmail as well. So just go ahead and select the option to add collaborator. So I'm selecting here mail, and here you can just add the recipient email address whom you want to send this invitation link, and then just tap on share, and that's how you will be able to start collaborate your iPhone notes. Thanks for watching.